My fescue seeds believed in me, and I believed in them. Trust the process, fescue to the rescue.
Look at you. That is babies growing up all strong. I'm so proud of you. All tall and green.
Chris, what are you doing? People have been looking for you for hours. It's a work day.
I'm intoxicated with all this green goodness.
Come on, let's go. You gotta go to work.
I'll be there in just a minute. Yep.
Previously on
Our lawn is literally gone.
Trust the process. The grass is coming in when it's coming in, and that's when it's gonna come in.
You told me a couple weeks.
It got hot, the crabgrass crept in, and
It's dead,
now we have what we have right now.
which is nothing.
So our next steps is to wait for it to cool down a little bit and start checking for the right outside temperatures. And we did that. So after it cooled, we killed off all the remaining weeds, we reseeded with rapid grass, and then we watered, and we waited, and ta-da! Our lawn is lusciously green. Yes, I said lusciously. Before, we had mud grass, diseased grass, a big root ball in the middle of our yard, and now we've got fescue, baby. F-E-S-C-U-E, fescue. As of now, we're in maintenance mode. So we've got a couple of bare spots that we've got to fill. We've got to keep the weeds at bay, and then we've got some mowing to do. But most importantly, we've got to keep this baby watered. Do you see it?
I see it.
Can you believe it?
Hardly.
We achieved it. It's like cash money green. All we got is just a couple little spots. Get a little bit more weeds out of there. Not much. But then today, we get the...
Okay, no. You keep saying we.
What?
What happened to this is my house, this is my grass, I'm the man, all of that? This is on you, sir. I'm taking a self-care day today.
But
Have fun. Maintain. Cheers.
cheers.
Fresh water for our fresh lawn,
Don't mind if I do.
which I have to say, it's looking amazing.
This by far is the greenest, most luscious, beautifulest lawn in all of the land.
So it wasn't easy.
It was not easy, but we bounced back, cleared out all the weeds, reseeded with the rapid grass, fescue to the rescue, and look what we have now.
I love it. So, on to the next project?
On to the next project.
Oh, you sound excited about that. That's the first.
Yeah, I know. So what am I agreeing to?
We'll talk about that a little later.
All right.
Okay.
Now I'm nervous.
Mm-hmm.